Morning, this is Johnny. This morning I'm at the Lava Club here on the A Bay, the Big Island. If you've been to the Kohala Coast over the last several years, you've probably been to the Lava Club. It's one of the hottest bars, beach bars and restaurants here on the island, and it's currently closed. It's supposed to come back online in October, and they're making some pretty significant improvements to it. What you see here, well, to the left of what you see here, that lawn area is, and maybe you can see it, there's a Volkswagen there. That Volkswagen is where they used to be a bar. Well, I think that this structure right in the foreground here is actually the new bar, and then they're also going to have, I believe, like massages and so on out there on the lawn, as well as, you know, playing cornhole and golf and all that stuff. Every year when my family comes over, we spend a day on that lawn. It's really a fun place to be. So anyway, kind of, so that that structure you see, I believe, is the new bar. If it's not the new bar, it's the where they're going to do massages and so on. And then I'm going to pan over to what else they're doing here. Right in front of me, those columns are going to have a roof over them, and that's going to be enhanced outside seating. I don't really know what they framed up top there. I don't know what that's going to be. They're going to make a much bigger kitchen. I can't imagine it's upstairs. Maybe it's not. I don't know. And then cruising on here, they're going to have more outside seating, and then on the other side of the building, they're going to have an additional seating. So this place was so busy that they really needed to do all this. It really was one of the hottest places on the island. So anyway, how you doing? So I thought I'd come by and show you some of the stuff that's going on here. Guy wasn't real friendly. Anyway, but the general setting of the Lava Club is on the A Bay. So you can be right out in the sand like I am right now, and, you know, have a drink, watch the sun go down. We're looking almost due west, and then enjoy the A Bay, which is Anaeho'omalu Bay here in the Waikoloa Beach Resort. There's the whale watching boat. There's a glass bottom boat, and over in the distance is where I live, a place called Kohala. So it's really a cool place, and I'm hoping that they get it done by October, because in November my whole family's coming over, all my kids and grandkids, and we definitely hope to spend some time here at the Lava. Also, you can see they have little guest houses over here where I'm pointing right now. That's associated with the Lava as well. So it's something to look forward to. This has been a great addition to the Waikoloa Beach Resort, and if you're coming over this winter, it should be a hell of a lot better. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.